A for loop is a control flow statement that enables repeated execution of a block of code by iterating over elements in an iterable object. An iterable is any object capable of returning its elements one at a time, allowing the loop to process each element sequentially. A for loop that iterates through a nested structure such as nested lists, dictionaries, or other iterables involves using one or more loops to traverse elements at different levels of depth. We're going to use a loop that will do the sum in a list, so I'm going to create a list. List is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so it is a list that contains 4 numbers. The number is equal to 0, so we initialize a variable number is equal to 0 to store the sum. For C in list for each element C in the list. Number is equal to number plus C. Add the value C to number and we will print for display the value of the number after each addition. We apply we know. That print number is in the loop. That's why it displays each time the sum of one element and the next element, and if we only want the final answer to at the end of the loop, you must remove the space and line break. Now, we're going to use a loop with a simple range. So we will increment from 0 to 4, so 5 elements since the 0 is counted. So we will proceed as follows for I in range between parentheses 5 and the explanation point. We will display the value of the variable I. We see that the result is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we will make a specification. We will generate a sequence from 4 to 10 for I in range 4, 10. If we apply we see the value of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here, we add another condition with a step of 2. So, we're going to add a comma inside the parenthesis again. If we apply, we will only have the values 4, 6, and 8. Now, we will add a condition. The loop executes normally as before. The block executes after. That the loop has completed its normal iteration, its break. The filing will be as follows. For 6, 8, and the for loop.